Okay. We are Nature Iraq. My name is Eric.
Asa, Sima,
And Nature Iraq is Iraq's first environmental conservation organization. What we did here was sort of twofold. The first was to create sort of an initial social media push, but then also the client wanted a year-long communication social media plan. So we also did that. One of the main goals was to increase engagement and reach among young Iraqis, also potential donors. One of our ideas was to do our whole campaign in 3 different languages: English, Arabic, and Kurdish. And also a big part of our campaign was to encourage people to share photos of Iraq using the hashtag #MyNatureIraq. And part of that was to make this video. And so, you want to say anything? You want to say anything about the video?
We showed the video. I was speaking in English and Kurdish, and I have Sarah with me speaking in Arabic. Through this video, we try to engage more with the Iraqi people about using our language to be able to increase the awareness in order to protect and restore their natural environment.
Iraq is Joanna. Iraq is Jamila. Iraq is beautiful. Iraq is natural environment and rich cultural heritage. And now you can tell us how you will do that. Hashtag #MyNatureIraq.
Okay, well, what I was in charge was Facebook, and internationally Facebook is so popular, so we wanted to engage the Facebook users to pledge to do something in their environment. So here's an example. We told the Facebook users to pick up some trash and post it using the hashtag #MyNatureIraq. And also, we wanted to engage with them more using the #MyNatureIraq. So we wanted them to like and comment on the post that we were posting. And also, we wanted to get a pool of Facebook users and pick one out and kind of congratulate them and engage the users like that.
I was in charge of creating an Instagram account in order to post pictures and to be able to reach Iraqi people easier. Basically, I try to be very selective with my followers, and I try to follow the most common and popular accounts on Instagram, and I engage my university and my friends, so by that we were able to have 412 followers, and we also let the people to share the pictures that they have using the hashtag #NatureOfIraq, as you can see.
I was in charge of the Twitter account, and the Twitter account was most used about for the people around the world. And I make a post for Nature of Iraq, and make tweet in Arabic and English language, and I change the username of the account.
And for the year-long communications plan, we kind of, among other things, told them to focus on in 3 areas, one of which is annual events. The Green Music and Arts Festival is something that they sponsor, and so we suggest giving out hard copies of social media addresses, as well as calls to action saying share your videos and your photos while you're here on our social media accounts. And Rose is a nature holiday or observance, and just sort of trying to hook on to the momentum that's behind that, saying share your photos during the Rose, your events, what you're doing on our buzz at hashtag #MyNatureIraq. Also focusing on highly targeted Facebook ads to reach those young Iraqis at universities and environmentally minded folks in Iraq, and also especially using Twitter to communicate using hashtags and ad mentions through pre-approved organizations that they came up with. And also highly measurable objectives and templates for measurement and evaluation are in the social media plan.